everybody, welcome to the
Kitty
Waffle
Dinosaur
Show! In this video, we have 3 snacks from Korea and a Japanese Hello Panda snack. And we'll start with those mushroom things.
And these are mushroom things. They're from Korea. And then open it. And I thought that's how you open it. There's the thing on the top. I know. There's another side to it. They're kind of like the logs and the burgers.
Oh.
Cool. Little tiny mushrooms. These taste like their original Takis.
What?
Pockies, or whatever they're called.
Oh. Oh, yeah, they do taste like Pocky.
Okay.
And then next we have
Korean
these
snacks.
things that we can't read.
Oh, that's an insanely long bag.
They look like hash browns. They're not hash browns, but like
They're so
black tater
good.
tots.
They're crunchy, crispy, and sweet. It's like they're caramelized.
It tastes like honeycombs, like the cereal.
Yeah.
They're delicious.
We're gonna do this.
Okay, now we're gonna do the
Oh no.
matcha green tea Hello Pandas. So, and
As
it's
you can tell,
in a green plastic pack.
and as you can tell, if you've seen our Kit Kat green tea video, none of us liked it. So,
I liked it.
well, he liked it, but I really did not like green
My
tea.
picture is like very faded, but
Yeah, but
you can
mine looks like
meh.
it's a bear. It's shaped like a nom nom nom.
I ate it.
I ate it too.
It's not that bad.
Tastes good. It doesn't taste like tea. I think it's real good.
Okay. Now on to the Pororo.
Oh no, it tastes bad.
Pororo. It's a show, and we tried drinks of it like a really long time ago. And I'm almost positive the show's on Netflix, or it was at some point. They look like little crackers. That did not open the way I wanted it to, but I got some sort of little animal.
You want some sort of little animal. Looks like an owl. Tastes like honey biscuits.
Yeah, they're just like crackers.
These are the best so far. Well. Well, I swallowed it. Oh, I chewed it a little bit. I chewed it a little bit, and I swallowed it whole, and now it's like stuck in my throat, and it really hurts right now.
What? How? How does one do this?
I I drank water. But this big stuck in my throat. And I like chewed it a little bit.
Not your fault.
It's so gross.
Okay, well that's it for this video. Please
comment,
like, comment, subscribe down below.
Bye.
Bye.